Welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Ubuntu Server on VirtualBox. First things first, you have to click New, and here you can type name for your Ubuntu Server. For me it will be Ubuntu Server HardReset. Now here you can add more base memory. I will add this much, and okay. Here I will change nothing, I think. And here you have to add your ISO. Now you have to retry boot. You can download the ISO from the original Linux Ubuntu page. Yes. As you can see, it's starting to work. Here we have to choose our language. For us it will be English. Now we click continue without updating. Done, yes. Done. 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 Now we can also click done, continue. Yes, you have to scroll down, click down. Yes, you can click down. Continue. Now you have to set up your profile. For me it will be hard. Reset. And choose your password. Continue. Done. Now you have to scroll down and wait. Now we have to click console update and reboot. Now we have to power off our virtual machine. Go to settings. And in system we have to turn off floppy and optical and get the hard disk to the top. Now we can turn off our machine. As you can see, you can log in now and server is working. Thanks for watching. Bye.